Hi, this is Ronak from Bangladesh. I'm Gaika Focal Point for Link Up project, and I have been involved in direct program implementation at local level. During last April, we had arranged two youth consultation meeting at Dhaka, and with the help of Athena Network and International HIV/AIDS Alliance, we invited young MSM and young sex workers from Dhaka and talked on self-testing and adolescent HIV health services. So at the beginning of Link Up project, we had arranged similar type of consultation meeting, and at the end of the project, again we arranged the consultation meeting because we want to hear the correct information, and we want to hear the voice from the community. We arranged this consultation meeting, and this consultation meeting is very important from my personal perspective. I can share with you all that most of the time community left behind, and there was no one to hear from the community. But if we arrange this kind of consultation meeting, then community thinks that yes, our voice directly will go to the top level, and something new and something more for us is coming. So this is very important for us to arrange consultation meeting at local level. Also, for the self testing, young MSMs are most of the time they want to hide themselves, and there are not much facility for MSMs in Dhaka to test themselves. So if we introduce self testing with the community, then community easily avail it and get under testing. And another thing is for the service self for the service providers, we are still fighting for the adolescent HIV health services cause of the huge amount of stigma and discrimination around service providers. And our service providers, they are also a part of the society, and the society is thinks, oh, sex workers are bad, MSMs are sinners, the lady who is doing sex work, she is not good, and this kind of thing. So also service providers have this kind of attitude. In under Link Up, we are fighting like many Maristops doctors have this kind of attitude, and several times we raise our voices for youth friendly and non-judgmental services. So this is very important for us to access in youth friendly services, because Link Up and other any kind of project is for us. HIV projects is for community, not for others, and we need to ensure that youth are availing the services. This is very important. And another thing is for the Link Up youth, they have got the most experiences from involving in Link Up. So we called Link Up, we called them and hear from them that what is their experiences, how they feel about self-testing and adolescent services. Is it accessible to the community or not? This so we could now I could know that young MSMs face many discrimination at service providers, cause service providers showed attitude towards them. Sometimes they flash their testing result in front of all. Sometimes they wants to test them in front of other people. Sometimes young sex workers do not want to share their views and their stories in front of all, but that service providers most of the time push them to do that. So this is very matter of privacy, and this is really an important issue for the community. And another thing is for the program and policy makers, that youth are not for only beneficiaries. Youth must need to be partners, and young people, please involve young people in your work, because with this kind of consultation we could know that we have knowledge, we have leadership, we have skill, but we need to get opportunity, because young people most of the time face most stigma and discrimination from everywhere, from the stakeholders, from the civil societies, from the allies, but community faces is most, because most many time we saw that our allies and our other staffs who are not from the community, they shows as, oh, you are from the community, you are Yankee population, but they must know that the project is for us and they are working for us. They must have positive attitude toward the community. They must have emotion for the community, not for only for that, yes, I am getting money, that's why I am working. They should not think like that. So this is very important for us to hear from the community and to know about the community perspective. Thank you.